Welcome to our channel, where we explore the realm of innovation, creativity, and practicality. In today's video, we'll dive into an exciting journey of creating Akoriam-inspired kitchen appliances and home inventions. If you're wondering what Akoriam is, it's a conceptual blend of efficiency, modern design, and sustainability in homeware. This is our last try to perfect these inventions, so expect an action-packed, step-by-step demonstration filled with creativity, problem-solving, and maybe even a few surprises. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a gadget lover, or someone who loves experimenting with kitchen tools, this video is for you. Stick with us until the end because we'll reveal some pro tips and practical hacks to level up your home with these unique creations. Let's get started. Before jumping into the building process, we need to set the foundation. Here's how we ideate and prepare. Efficiency. It should save time and effort. Multifunctionality. One tool should perform multiple tasks. Eco-friendly design, made with sustainable materials or waste-minimizing techniques. Compactness, ideal for modern homes with limited space. Visualize the design by sketching a rough draft. For example, a collapsible grater that doubles as a vegetable peeler. Magnetic spice dispensers that attach to any metal surface. Use simple drawing tools or design software to finalize the details. Upcycled materials, use leftover wood, old plastic containers or scrap metal. Lightweight and durable materials, aluminum, bamboo, silicone, or food-grade plastics work great. The cutting board is a kitchen essential, and by making it multifunctional, we can save space and enhance efficiency. Bamboo or hardwood board, stainless steel bowl inserts, knife holder slot, small silicone funnel for draining juices, mark and cut slots, measure areas for a knife holder and bowl inserts, use a jigsaw to cut the slots accurately, attach bowls, create recessed areas for bowls to collect chopped vegetables, secure the bowls with food-safe adhesive, add the funnel, drill a small hole at the corner for the silicone funnel, enabling easy juice drainage, smooth and finish, sand the edges and apply a food-safe wood finish for durability. Magnetic spice dispensers save counter space and provide quick access to seasonings. Empty metal containers like mint tins, strong magnets. Clear acrylic sheets for lids, adhesive and screws. Prepare containers. Clean and sanitize old metal tins. Drill small holes in the lids for easy dispensing. Attach magnets, glue strong magnets to the base of each container. Test the hold strength on a refrigerator or metal rack. Create transparent lids. Cut acrylic sheets into circles matching the tin size. Secure the lids with a hinge or adhesive. A compact dish rack saves space, especially in smaller kitchens. Lightweight aluminum rods, hinges and screws, non-slip silicone grips. Assemble the frame. Cut aluminum rods to size for the rack's base and sides. Connect them with hinges for a foldable mechanism. Add non-slip grips. Wrap silicone strips around the rods to hold dishes securely. Test durability. Load with dishes of various weights to ensure stability. Stainless steel pot, small motor and battery pack, plastic or silicone stirring paddle. Attach the motor drill a hole in the pot's lid to fit the motor. Secure the motor and connect it to the paddle. Install the battery pack. Attach the battery pack to the lid's underside. Ensure easy access for battery replacement. Test the mechanism. Add water and let the paddle stir to check functionality. After assembling the appliances, it's time to test their practicality. Use the cutting board for meal prep to evaluate the drainage system and bowl inserts. Test the spice dispensers for magnetic strength and ease of use. Load the dish rack with various dishes to ensure foldability and stability. Cook with the self-stirring pot to verify its stirring efficiency. Think multifunctional. Combine 2 or more tasks in one invention to maximize utility. Prioritize durability. Use materials that withstand wear and tear for long-term usability. Test thoroughly. Always test prototypes multiple times before finalizing the design. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey of making Akoriam-inspired kitchen appliances and home inventions. These creations showcase how a little creativity can transform everyday tools into efficient multifunctional marvels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for updates on future DIY projects. Let us know in the comments which invention was your favorite or if you have ideas for our next project. Until then, keep innovating and making your home smarter and more functional.